Hi guys, I'm coming with another video which is about the S sounds. You can see here S sounds like the K, C, K, Ch, Ch. So this is actually the way you pronounce this S sound in different phonics criteria, but it can be said as Z. So you can see here as I noted all these things down. When S come between two vowels, you can see here it can be of the rose, cousin, music. And when you can see here when it comes as in the eyes, at the end of the eyes, as an example, the exercise and surprise. When S follows a notice consonants, it can be followed as cars, ribs, dogs. In the plural endings, you can see here S and sh. You can see here ch, s, u, z. So as an example of the benches and boxes, the S sounds like sh, s, u, z.